This is a 2012 A7. It has a 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear-view camera, keyless go, a low-tire pressure indicator, a 5-link front suspension, a supercharger, a locking differential, cornering lights, big 19-inch wheels, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, air conditioning with vents for rear seat passengers, cruise control, leather seats, aluminum door sills, front and rear floor mats, side impact airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, a split folding rear seat, and this vehicle has fewer than 53,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 28 miles per gallon on the highway, it's easy to see how you can save. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Welcome to Land Rover Frisco, an adventurous and truly unique driving experience. At Land Rover Frisco, we are British by birth and Texan by choice. Come in today.